Hello, this is Nikki from Canada. Welcome to my Square Foot Garden Wednesday update. It's going to be a real quick one today. Let's see. Oh, carrots are looking nice. Batch. Wonder when I should be picking this guy. Pretty soon, I think. I'll pick it today. Oh, my sunflower's all shy. Here it is. Don't see any more summer squash here. Ooh, big flowers going on. Okay. There's some cucumbers to pick. Gonna pick them today. More coming out, little ones. Oh, another little one coming out here. There's another little summer squash. And, oh, this zucchini's looking nice. I think I'll pick that one today. Oh, this one's almost too big. He's definitely coming out today. And that's all I see on the go so far. Oh, I got tomatoes. Okay, these ones are looking nice. Oh, and this English cucumber, I think I'll pick that one today. This is the tomatoes I was talking about. Look. Oh, something got into it already. Okay, have a look at my pumpkin plant. With no pumpkins. Oh, got another couple of tomatoes going on here. Ready for picking? Love cherry tomatoes. Oh, that's a nice looking cucumber. Another one in here. And I got a little jalapeno. I think I'll pick that one today too. And over here. Let's see. Oh, I see cucumbers. Here. A couple there. This one I'll leave for another day. What a lovely harvest. I got 2 jalapeno peppers, 2 early girls, handful of cherries. I got a bunch of market more, 1 zucchini, and a bunch of English cucumber. That's it for today. Nikki from Canada signing out.